Welcome to the Genius ERP University Management System. Visit www.geniuseduerp.com and log in with your provided username and password. As you enter your username and password and click on the Sign In button, you will come to this page. Today we will see the Front Desk and Security Gate Management module in detail. The Front Desk module of the University Management Software enables efficient management of student inquiries, admissions, attendance, and student records. The Security Gate Management module ensures proper monitoring and control of visitors, staff, and students entering and exiting the university premises, enhancing the safety and security of the university environment. Under the Front Desk Master Data section, the Front Desk Master Data is a location to store all the master data for front desk operations and security. Here you can make entries for complaints, inquiries purposes, references, responses, calls, and visitors. Click on the Complaint Type option. Here, enter the complaint type name. For example, let us write a financial complaint here. Once you write the name here, click on the Submit button and your complaint type name will be added to the data. Click on the Inquiry Type option. Here, enter the inquiry type name. For example, let us write Canteen Inquiry here. Once you write the name here, click on the Submit button and your inquiry type name will be added to the data. Click on the Purpose option. Here, enter the purpose type name. For example, let us write PTM here. Once you write the name here, click on the Submit button and your purpose type name will be added to the data. Click on the Reference option. Here, enter the reference type name. For example, let us write HOD here. Once you write the name here, click on the Submit button and your reference type name will be added to the data. Click on the Response option. Here, enter the response type name. For example, let us write a call after some time here. Once you write the name here, click on the Submit button and your response type name will be added to the data. Click on the Call Type option. Here, enter the call type name. For example, let us write Admission here. Once you write the name here, click on the Submit button and your call type name will be added to the data. Click on the Visitor Type option. Here, enter the visitor's type name. For example, let us write External Faculty here. Once you write the name here, click on the Submit button and your visitor type name will be added to the data. Under the Inquiry section, you get a list of all the inquiries made online through a website link or added manually by the resource person. After website integration, this link will be displayed on your university website from where the students can fill out their inquiry forms online from the comfort of their homes. Just click on the link. Here you have to enter the Verify CAPTCHA code. Then click on the Verify button. Here, select the inquiry type. Enter the number of children you want admission for. Enter the first name of the child. Enter the last name here. Select the grade or class for which you are applying. Enter the date of birth of the child here in the Date of Birth section. Select the gender here. Enter the address of the applicant here. Select a reference if any regarding the inquiry. Enter the mobile number for future follow UPS. Enter the alternate mobile number if any. Add any remarks if required and then click on the Submit button. As you click on the Submit button, your inquiry form will be submitted. Once the form is submitted, the admin can see the submitted form from his account here in the inquiry listing. By clicking on the phone symbol, you can follow up with the contact person who inquired. Here, select the follow-up date and the next follow-up date. Then select the response. Enter remarks if required and click on the Submit button. By clicking on this symbol, you can edit the details of the form. You can delete the form by clicking on the Delete button. By clicking on the I symbol you can view the form filled out by the student or parent. The resource person can fill out the same form manually by clicking on Add Inquiry button. Once you click on that button, you will come to this page. Fill in all the necessary details and click on the Submit button. Your form will be submitted. Under the Complaints section, you can see a list of all the complaints made by students, staff members, or parents. To add a complaint, the user should click the Add Complaint button. Select the complaint type here. Let's select academic complaints here. Add the complaint in the remarks box here. For example, write possession of unauthorized material during an examination. Enter the action taken here. For example, write contact principal. Enter the mobile number of the person who is complaining. Enter the name of the person who complained. For example, write Orson Williams here. Select the date of complaint. Now click on the Submit button and your complaint details will be added. Under Calls and Follows section, you get a list of all the calls and follow-ups made regarding the inquiries made by the students, staff members, and parents. To add details about the call, click on Add Call button. Select the user type here. Here enter the registration number or mobile number of the student. You will get the details of the student here. Select the checkbox for that student. Select the call type from here. Enter the caller's name here. For example, write Calvin Wilson here. Select the follow-up date here. Select the type of response from the list. Select the date of the call. Select the time of call here. Enter the number of children for whom or who are calling. Now click on the Submit button and the call details will be added. Under Student Late Arrival and Early Departure section. This section helps you to manage late arrivals and early departures of students. To add details regarding the arrival or departure of a student, click on Add Arrival Departure button. You can search by registration number, or mobile number or select the details and you will get a list here. Let us enter the registration number or mobile number here. You will get student details here. Select the checkbox for that student here. Select the type whether it is late arrival or early departure. Select the date here. Enter the time for arrival or departure. Enter the receiver's name here. For example, let us write Orson Williams here. Upload the ID proof here. Enter the relation of the receiver with the student. For example, write father here. Enter the receiver's contact number here. Enter remarks here. For example, write due to health issues here. Now click on the Submit button and the details will be added. Under Front Desk Reports section, you get all front desk reports regarding calls, inquiries, complaints, and arrivals and departures of the students. Under the Call and Follow-up Reports section, select the call type, date and then click on the Submit button. You will get a detailed report for all the calls regarding inquiries, online registrations, and complaints. Under the Inquiry Report section, select the inquiry type, class/grade applying for, dates and then click on the Submit button. You will get a detailed report regarding all the inquiries made by students, staff members, and parents. Under the Complaint Report section, select the complaint type and the dates. Then click the Submit button. You will get a detailed report of all the complaints made by students, staff members, or parents. Under the Arrival Departure Report section, select the type and dates then click on the Submit button. You will get a detailed report of early departures and late arrivals of students. Now come to the Security Gate Management section. The Security Gate Management section helps you manage visitor listings and visitor reports. Under the Visitor Listings section, you get a list of all the visitors who visited the university. To make a new entry, click on Add Visitors button. Select the purpose. Select the visitor type. Enter the visitor's name here. For example, let us write Lancy here. Enter the visitor's address here. Let us write Ahmedabad. Enter the visitor's mobile number here. Enter the vehicle number if the visitor has a vehicle. Enter the reason for visiting. For example, write PTM here. Enter the meetup person's name here. For example, write faculty here. Select the in time here. Upload an image if stored in your system, or you can capture a live image using a webcam or mobile camera. Now click on the Submit button and the visitors entry will be added to the list. Under the Visitors Report section, just select the dates and click on Submit button. You will get a detailed report of all the visitors who visited the university for various reasons. For further details, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.